Hi there, how are you all doing? Compliments of the season. Okay, so today I have a request to make a bow tie for the guys in the choir, and we need 10 pieces. So today I just want to show you how you can decide, how you can get to know the quantity of material that you need to buy. Now, the first thing, if you have gone through the video on how to make a bow tie, I would drop that down in the link below. You would see that interfacing you need 5 by 2.5. Then the part that goes around the bowl is 3 by 2 inches. Then the bow itself is 10 by 5 inches. The bow band is 18 by 2 inches, and Velcro is 2.4 by 6 by 0.6 inch. So the first thing I want to check is the material that I need for the bow, the band. The one that goes round is going to be a different material because they need sequins on it. By the way, if you want to see how I made that, how I'm going to make it, then do let me know in the comment section below, so I would ensure that I record that, because this one is going to be a mixture of two different materials, not going to be like the other one. Okay, now, so the first thing I need to do is check. I'm going to look at the material for the bow and the bow band. Okay, so that's what I'm checking for. What's the quantity I should buy? What's the measurement of what I should buy? What's the right language right now? Anyway, all right, so now you look at the measurement. We have the bow is 10 by 5 inches and the bow band is 8 by 2 inches. So what's the highest measurement you can see there? That's 18 inches. And we need for 10 pieces, that's what we need. So we need 10 pieces of 18 by 2 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to see, since it's 18 inches, that's half a yard. Remember, a yard is 36 inches. So I would start with 18 inches. So I'm looking at if we half a yard is going to be enough for me. Now, the 18 inches, most materials, you have it being 60 by 60 or 54 inches by the length, or would you say by the width? Okay, so if I get half inches, we're talking of it being like 54. So I'll draw my line this way and assume this is 54 inches. Okay, so let's close it up. These are our 18 inches. And for the bow band, it's 18 by 2 inches, right? So that means if I'm doing 10 pieces of the bow band, it's going to take 20. All right, so I'll stop. Let's say, okay, this is like half, isn't it? Half is 27. So let's give this 7. So this is 20 inches. So from here to here is my 20 inches. Of course, you know it's by 2. You're going to be dividing it by 2 to get your band. So I can get 10 bands from here. So the next thing I need to look at is my bow. My bow is 10 by 5 inches. Okay. Since this is from here to here, it's our 7 inches. And then from here to here is 27. That's what's left. Okay. Remember from our calculation, so 27 plus 7, that's 34. 34 plus this, that gives us our full 54 inches. Okay, it involves some calculation, but I'm sure you will get it. All right, so now, remember, I need 10. So if I cut out from here, so I assume that from here to here now is my 10 inches. From here to here is my 5 inches, right? Okay, so the 10 inches, remember it's 10 by 5. So if we are to use 10 by 5, 10 by 5, that means this should be like 50. But I can't get 50 from here. I can't get 50 from here. So we'll just take it, if we take it all the way down, this from here to here is 34. 34 inches. 34 inches is not a multiple of 5. So we're going to stop at 30. So from here to here, if I cut it like this, from here to here is my 4 inches. Then here to here gives me 30 inches. So we'll cut it like this. So that means, remember, this is our band. So we have 10 bands on this side. So here has actually given us 10 divided by 5, that's 6. So this has given us 4 bows. We have, 5, no, not 4 bows. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So this has given us 6 bows. remaining 4. We have 4 bowls remaining, okay? And this is 5, which is 10 by 5 that we need. From here to here is 34. Oh, that is fantastic. So 10, this will give us 3. So if I take from here to here, that will give me all the way down here. So I'll have 10 and another 10. Okay, we don't need this 4 here. It's 30 that we need. So 10, 10, 10. So I have 1 bowl here, 1 bowl here, and another 1 bowl here. So that gives me 9. So we're looking for our 10th bowl, right? 6, that's 9. And this is 4 by 18. 4 by 18. And we need 5 by 10. So I can join the material. It's possible. And hopefully it is 60 inches. So if it's 60 inches that we're looking at, half yard is perfect for this. But if it's not 60 inches, you can see how you can, this, if I cut this up to here, it gives me 10 inches. So I can take a bit of here and join in, add it to this side here. Add it to this, but it's going to be 2 joinings, quite a number of joinings to make another bowl. So when you fold, you can make this part to be the part that is covered at the back. So half yard can actually do. But if it's 6 inches of length, perfect. So half yard is going to get us our bowl. So I need half yard of that. But if you're going to be using all the materials for what do you call it, for to also get the part that covers up the bowl, it means for 10 pieces of bow tie, I would need 1 yard, but that 1 yard would have a lot still remaining. Do you understand? But if you're going to use another material, then you can do half yard and half yard. If it's by 60, perfect, half yard by half yard. If it's not by 60, if it's by 54 and you don't want all this joining, it means 1 yard here, half yard here. So I think I will do a call, or when I get there I would let you know what finally the width I have. But now we know that if it's by 54, we'll not be able to do that. But if it's anything beyond 54 inches, then all I need is half yard here. Okay, for the Velcro, it's 2.4 by 10 by 0.6. okay, and this, the width is 1 inch. For the Velcro that I have is 1 inch, so this part is taken care of. So this is the one that will tell me the number of yards that I need. If I multiply this by 10, that will give me 20.4 inches. So this is less than a yard, just a little bit. So 1 yard of Velcro will do. So I hope you're understanding me. Then the interfacing, we have 5 by 2.4, okay, and I need 10. If I multiply this by 10, that gives me 50. That's by the, what do you call it, half yard will do for this. I need less than half yard. Do you understand? Because 50 is going to be the height, or the length rather. It's more than that. Do you understand? Then 2.4, of course, is less than half inch. So I just need half a yard for the interfacing. So that's it. So we're done. So I will let you know how far it goes. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying 1 yard. So the conclusion of the matter is I would need 1 yard of I think I want to use bridal satin, unless I find something better. I would have preferred to use shining poly, but we're on what they call today sit at home, so I won't be able to get that. Where I can get material now is bridal satin. They are most likely to get, because I need white. Then I will get, no sorry, half yard, then another half yard of sequins. Then I have interfacing already available. I'll just check to ensure that this is, but yes, I have more than a yard. So half yard of interfacing, I already have that. No, sorry, not half yard of interfacing, 1 yard of Velcro first of all. That's the one I'm saying I have, sorry, not interfacing. I need to check my interfacing. Interfacing is half yard. I'll check that also to see whether I have that done. So that's how you do your design to know how many yards you need. And I'm sure you can replicate the same thing for a bow tie with any other thing that you need to do. So I get to see you later.